Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Route 9 Johnny here. It's about 4 o'clock Tuesday, December 2nd. This will be my last report before the day is over. For all your commuters out there, just want to let you know, roads are still slippery. Passable, but slippery. Definitely need snow tires on. I have 6 inches in my front yard as we speak. So, it's still snowing pretty good. So it might continue. A shout out to Rose, Westover. She also has 6 inches. So, just as much snow over on that side of the valley as well. And I want to give a shout out to John, who's in Wells, Maine. He said his roads are slippery there in Wells, Maine as well. And he's on the other end of Route 9. Didn't realize Route 9 went to Wells, Maine. Anyway, here's a look at the roads. This is the side. See, it's pretty deep here from the snow plows. This is looking into Bennington, westbound. Salty Eagle came by about a few minutes ago and plowed, so I can see the yellow line now. This should be over. Hopefully in another 5-6 hours. This should be the end. So, all you folks coming home with the commute, take it slow. Leave a little early. You know, as Route 9 Johnny always says, drive slow, arrive alive. Okay, you all have a nice evening. And get home safe. And hopefully we'll talk to you later. But not for a few days. Let's let this hopefully get to be able to dig out tomorrow. It's supposed to be sunny. So that'd be nice. Okay, we're out of here. Stay safe, folks.